1. Chukudu in DR Congo. In Congo DR, the Chukudu is more than a wooden scooter, it's a symbol of resourcefulness and entrepreneurship. Imagine building your very own transport business using this craft. For aspiring professionals and young entrepreneurs, Chukudu offers an untapped market in logistics and local transport. Your creativity and skill can transform a simple Chukudu into a profitable venture, allowing you to support your community while earning a sustainable income. Do you have a passion for creativity? What if I told you that the secret to your financial independence, personal growth, and success is right at your fingertips, woven into the rich fabric of African culture? Whether you are a student, a recent graduate, or an aspiring entrepreneur, this video could completely change your life. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, your ultimate hub for personal growth, wealth-building strategies, and unforgettable travel adventures. In today's video, we will explore the world of African crafts, uncovering how these timeless skills can unlock your potential and help you build a thriving business. These are not just relics of tradition, they are the doorway to financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and global success. We will explore 12 different crafts from all over Africa, from Ghana's stunning Kente cloth to the ingenious Chukudu from Congo DR. By the end of this video, you will have the actionable steps to turn one of these crafts into your very own profitable venture. You might be wondering, how can mastering a craft change my life? Well, not only will it offer a deeper connection to your roots and personal growth, but these skills are in demand globally. Did you know that the global handicrafts market was valued at over $718 billion in 2022 and is expected to reach $1.2 trillion by 2028? That's right. African crafts are part of this growing industry, and there is no reason why you can't claim your share of this success. So, whether you are a traveler seeking new opportunities, a mid-career professional looking for a creative outlet, or a young entrepreneur ready to build a business, this video is your roadmap. Before we talk about the financial potential of these crafts, let's talk about something even more important. Finding and mastering a craft is not just about making money, it is about discovering who you are. Every time you weave a thread, mold clay, or carve stone, you are not just creating art, you are creating a deeper connection with yourself. Think about it, when was the last time you felt truly connected to something? By embracing a craft, you will tap into patience, discipline, and focus. Whether it's the rhythm of Maasai beadwork or the meditative flow of pottery making, these crafts can help you unlock hidden strengths and capabilities. For aspiring professionals, young entrepreneurs, and personal growth enthusiasts, these skills are a powerful way to enhance self-awareness, build resilience, and cultivate creativity. Now let's dive into the heart of Africa's creative spirit, its crafts. We are going to break down 12 lucrative African crafts by country. 1. Chukudu in DR Congo. In Congo DR, the Chukudu is more than a wooden scooter, it's a symbol of resourcefulness and entrepreneurship. Imagine building your very own transport business using this craft. For aspiring professionals and young entrepreneurs, Chukudu offers an untapped market in logistics and local transport. Your creativity and skill can transform a simple Chukudu into a profitable venture, allowing you to support your community while earning a sustainable income. 2. Kente cloth in Ghana. To all the young entrepreneurs and students in Ghana, your heritage is rich with opportunity. Kente cloth is one of the most iconic and sought-after textiles in the world. Did you know that Kente patterns are used by global fashion designers and displayed in art galleries? By mastering this craft, you can tap into the global fashion industry, selling your designs online or exporting them to international markets. The world is waiting for your creativity. 3. Maasai beadwork in Kenya and Tanzania. In Kenya and Tanzania, Maasai beadwork is more than just jewelry, it's a cultural expression. Mid-career professionals, this is a craft that can become your creative outlet and an additional income stream. Travelers, imagine partnering with local artisans to bring these beautiful works to international audiences. The global fashion industry is hungry for authentic, handcrafted pieces. Your talent is exactly what they are looking for. 4. Zulu basket weaving in South Africa. Aspiring professionals in South Africa, Zulu basket weaving is your path to success. These intricate, handwoven baskets are highly valued in home decor markets worldwide. African-inspired interior design is one of the hottest trends today. Your craftsmanship can transform a traditional skill into a modern business. From selling online to partnering with local retailers, the opportunities are endless. 5. Shona stone sculptures in Zimbabwe. For personal growth enthusiasts and students in Zimbabwe, Shona stone sculptures are more than art. They are a reflection of your inner creativity and emotions. Each piece tells a story, and these sculptures are prized by art collectors worldwide. By mastering this craft, you can build a career as an artist, creating beautiful works that resonate with people globally. Art is not just for galleries, it's a way to express your personal growth and share it with the world. 6. Bologan or Mudcloth in Mali. Young entrepreneurs in Mali, Bologan or Mudcloth is your gateway to the world of fashion and home decor. This ancient technique of dyeing fabric with fermented mud is now a hot trend globally. From apparel to wall hangings, there is a growing demand for handmade, sustainable fabrics like Bologan. By combining your traditional skills with modern fashion, you can build a brand that celebrates both culture and sustainability. 7. Tuareg silver jewelry in Niger. Mid-career professionals and personal growth seekers in Niger, Tuareg silver jewelry is known for its detailed geometric designs and deep cultural significance. These handcrafted pieces are not only beautiful but also hold a special place in fashion markets globally. Your talent in creating these intricate designs can translate into a business that connects tradition with modern fashion, giving you a unique competitive edge. 8. Adire in Nigeria. Adire is a traditional Nigerian textile craft that involves tie-dyeing cotton fabric to create intricate patterns. This ancient technique, originating from the Yoruba people, is still widely practiced today and has gained global recognition. You can turn Adire into a profitable fashion business by producing unique fabrics, clothing, or home decor items. 9. Uli Body Art in Nigeria. Uli is a traditional Igbo art form where natural dyes are used to create symbolic designs on the skin or walls. In modern times, Uli patterns have been adapted into fashion, accessories, and visual arts. With a growing interest in African body art and symbolism, you can market Uli designs globally through fashion or cultural art exhibitions. 10. Swazi candles in Eswatini. Swazi candles are handcrafted using vibrant, multicolored wax, and shaped into beautiful figures or functional candles. Known for their exquisite designs, these candles are popular with tourists and collectors alike. If you are passionate about candle making, this is an art form that combines functionality with beauty, making it highly marketable. 11. Ethiopian coffee pottery in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee, and traditional coffee ceremonies involve the use of beautifully crafted pottery. Ethiopian artisans make hand-shaped coffee pots, jabina, and cups that are often adorned with intricate patterns. Exporting these handcrafted coffee sets, especially in today's coffee-loving world, can be a lucrative business. 12. Ghanaian metalworking in Ghana. In Ghana, metalworking is an ancient craft, where artisans create jewelry, utensils, and ceremonial items. This craft has evolved, with artisans now making custom-designed jewelry and decorative pieces for both local and international markets. Skilled metalworkers can build a high-end business by creating unique, handcrafted metal items. Alright, now that you are inspired by these incredible African crafts, let's talk about how you can turn your new passion into a profitable business. The good news is that with the right strategy, you can make this happen in just a few months. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose your craft. First, pick a craft that resonates with you. Are you drawn to fashion, like Kente cloth or Maasai beadwork? Or are you more into functional art like Zulu basket weaving or Shona stone sculptures? Remember, the best businesses are built on passion, so choose a craft you genuinely enjoy. 2. Master the skill. Next, take time to master your chosen craft. Whether you are learning from a local artisan or taking online courses, becoming an expert in your field will set you apart from the competition. 3. Create a business plan. Once you have honed your skills, it is time to create a business plan. Identify your target audience, whether it is the local market or international buyers. Do some research on pricing and competitors. And most importantly, set clear financial goals. 4. Build your brand. Your brand is your identity. Choose a memorable name, design a logo, and start building your online presence. Platforms like Instagram, and even your own website, are perfect for showcasing your craft to a global audience. 5. Market your products. Now comes the fun part, marketing your products. Use social media to showcase your craft process, share your story, and connect with potential customers. Collaborate with influencers or join craft fairs to get the word out. 6. Expand and scale. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or offering workshops. Scaling your business could mean partnering with other artisans or even exporting your goods internationally. You have just been given the blueprint to turn a passion for African crafts into a thriving business. What are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take action today. Learn, grow, and build the life you have always dreamed of.